As we talk about tethering systems, the first thing that comes to mind is the tool lanyard. And where it was once just one long extended piece of webbing with carabiners on the end, you can see a variety of innovation has come out now that have different options, including our new retractable lanyards, the 3011 and 3010 retractable tool lanyards. Extend out and give you a trigger switch to lock the tool into place so you can use it without it being pulling back on you. And to release the lock, you just simply pull it out further or flip the switch to let it back in. The 3011 model comes with dual carabiners on each end, and the 3010 comes with a belt clip that threads onto your fall protection or tool belt that allow you to, with double action carabiners, tie off your tools and equipment. All these styles come with a built-in impact indicator, so when a drop is seen, around 110 pounds of force will be created perhaps, and this impact indicator will deploy and let you know that it needs to be removed from service. Another newer solution is simply bringing all the complexity of tethering into one SKU or one unique kit, and that is our Tether the Trades kits. So by doing research in the field with workers, we've come up with a set of tethering solutions and tool attachment solutions that are perfect for carpenters, concrete workers, glazers, iron workers, or scaffolders. And you can take all the complexity out of choosing the different solutions, and it puts it into one easy to get kit.